The San Angelo Museum of Fine Arts presents a battle of the ages, a battle of the eras, a battle of underwear. Showing love for the Victorian age, we got Lady Victoria versus hometown hero Rosie The Riveter. Let the battles begin. Welcome to the stage, a woman with more muscle than the fellas, Rosie The Riveter.
Rosie here, kicking in overdrive. Check the time, it's 1945.
The boy next door left to fight a war.
Put up my hair, packed my lunch and hit the door. Laced up my boots and strapped on my safety bra.
The boogie woogie bugle boy of company B.
Can never look as good as these overalls as me. Factory work makes the sparks fly. Gotta protect these girls and keep them up high. Dishy Vicky is out of luck. As far as a mechanic, she's a pretty lame duck. What you hiding behind that bustle? It's giving me and the girls a pretty good chuckle. You can't vote and you can't own land. You're laced up so tight you can barely stand. American women getting the American hustle, except for Vicky, who can barely shuffle. Women do twice the work and eat twice the cup. This role reversal is quite the shake-up. Loose lips sink ships, and I'm not gonna give up my stance now that Johnny and I share the pants.
Ladies and gentlemen, give a big warm Victorian bow for Lady Victoria.
Okay, Rosie Riveter, I see what you got going on, but I'm gonna take it back just a notch. Back to the days when big silhouettes were the style. Where are your curves, Rosie? That suit does nothing for your profile. In my Victorian state of mind, with a corset and a hoop skirt, I'll be doing alright. You might look tough while flexing your muscle, but to me, this bustle is worth the hustle.
Okay, there you have it. Alright, in the comment section, make sure you pick who you thought was the best one. A lot of fire out there.